Have you or someone you know ever tried to sell a home and it didn't go as expected? Hi, this is Melissa Collins with the trusted team at RE/MAX Complete, here to talk to you about a reason why you may not get the results you want when selling a home. You can invest money in getting the house ready and make yourself available to hold open houses, but is that the best way to attract buyers? The best way to get a home sold and find more buyers? Effective marketing plan. Don't spend time listening to excuses for why the buyers aren't there and the home isn't selling. The reality is, if a home is not selling, it's because the marketing plan isn't working or you're just priced too high. Don't get caught in a situation when your home goes unsold. Make sure you hire an agent who replaces excuses with effort and failure with determination. We'd love to answer any of your questions and show you how we can create a custom marketing plan that will work for you. Please feel free to give me a call at 435-224-3272. I look forward to talking to you soon.